Hello guys, now I'm going to say about 1-bit full adder using multiplexer. To know about 1-bit full adder using multiplexers, first we need to know about multiplexer and full adder. Here now I'm going to say about multiplexer. Multiplexer is a device which select one out of several inputs and forward it to a single output line. For example, here we have different inputs and we select one input and we forward it to the output line, and it is also known as the mux. Mux is a combinational circuit which take 2 power n inputs and provide one output. Now we are going to have a doubt that which input is taking the output, and this can be verified by using the select lines. Select lines will decide which input will take output. The ratio between the input lines and selector lines are 2 power n. For example, if you take 2 power 2, that is n is equals to 2, we'll get the 4. That is, if we take two selectors A and B, we are going to have 4 output lines, that is I0, I1, I2 and I3. And now we are going to have only one output, that is Y. This is known as 4:1 mux. From this, the node points are multiple lines are 2 power n, select lines are n, and output lines are 1. For example, now I am going to say about 2:1 mux. We are taking one enable and one selector, and outputs what we are going to get by using the selector. Here we have taken E as 0, S as X, and E as 1, S as 0, E as 1, S as 0. 1. If we take E as 0, that is enable is 0. Therefore, the circuit will not going to perform anything. Now we are going to take enable as 1. By using the selector line 0, we are going to get the output as I0. That is, I0 is going to have output, and if we have select line 1, and the output is going to be I1. In this manner, we have different multiplexers, that is 2:1 mux, 4:1 mux, 8:1 mux, and 16:1 mux, 32:1 mux. The advantages of multiplexers are it reduces number of lines, number of wires, reduces circuit complexity and cost. When the wires are reduced, automatically the cost will be reduced and complexity also will be reduced. Implementation of various circuits using mux. This means that we can implement full adder and half adder using this multiplexers. And now we are going to do that is 1-bit full adder by using the multiplexer. Now we are going to know about the full adder. In full adder, we are taking 3 inputs A, B, C, and we are going to calculate their sum and the carry out. Now we have taken A as 0, B as 0, C in as 0. Therefore 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0. Therefore the sum is 0 and carry is 0. Now we are taking A as 0, B as 0, C as 1. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 1, 1. Therefore sum is 1 and carry is 0. Now we have taken A as 0, B as 1, C as 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 0, 0. Sum as 1 and carry as 0. Now I have taken A as 1, A as 0, B as 1, C in as 1. That is 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 1, that is sum is 0 and carry is 1. Now we have taken A as 1, B as 0, C in as 0. 1 plus 0 is 1 and 1 plus 0, 1. Sum is 1 and carry is 0. Now A is 1, B is 0, C in as 1. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 1. Sum is 0 and carry is 1. Now A as 1, B as 1, C as 0. 1 plus 1. sum is 0 and carry is 1. For sum, if we add 0, we'll get 0. Now we have taken A as 1, B as 1, C as 1. That is 1 plus 1 is equals to 0, 1. And for sum, we are going to add the C in, that is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. That is sum is 1 and carry is 1. This is a full adder. Now we are going to create the coordinate map for sum and the carry. Now first we are going to see for sum. Now in the full adder, we need to see where we have got the S as 1, that is sum as 1. We got A0, B0, 1 and A0, B1, C in 0, and here A1, B1, C in 0, and here A1, B1, C in 1. Now we are going to take this element, that is A0, B0 and C in 1, and we kept the 1 here. By using this one, we have all pointed the ones here. Now let us take two selectors, that is we are taking the 4 into 1 mux, that is 2 power n into 1, that is 2 power n output. Now n is equals to 2. Therefore selector lines are 2, that are S1 and S0. We have taken S1 as A and S0 as B. The combinations are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. If we have 0, 0, output is I0. 0, 1, output is I1. 1, 0, output is I2. 1, 1, output is I3. See, first we will select two selectors, that is 0 and 0. Now see, A is 0 and B is 0. Here we got to know that here we are having B as 0 and here having B as 0. Now we are going to take these two boxes and we'll pair the elements in it. We are having only one pair, that is 0, 0, 1, and the value of this is C. Therefore the output of this I0 is equals to C. Now we'll select another two select lines, that is 0, 1, that is A as 0 and B as 1. We are having B here as 1 and here we are having another B as 1. Now so we are going to select these two boxes and we need to pair the elements in this. We are having only one element to pair, so we will pair only one element and we'll you result it as C bar, and therefore output for 0, 1 is C bar. And we are going to select another two selector lines, that is 1, 0, that is A is 1, that means this total box, and B as 0, that is where we are having B. Here we are having B as 0 and here we are having B as 0, that is we are going to select these two boxes and we are going to pair these boxes. We are having only one element, so we will pair only one element and we will going to write which is unchanged. AB we have selected constant, so here we will write C bar. And now we are going, therefore I2 output is C bar. And now we are going to select another two select lines, that is 1, 1. See, A is 1. A is 1 means we are going to have this total box. And B as 1 means where we are having as B. Here we are having B as 1 and here B as 1. So we are going to select these boxes, and we are going to pair the elements in this. We are having only one element, that is 1. That is 1 1 1. So the output for this will be, see, so the output for the I3 is equals to C. Now we have completed the coordinate map for the sun. Now we are going to write the coordinate map for carry. Okay. For carry, here in full adder for carry, where we have got the ones here, here, here and here, that is A0, B1, C1, A0, A1, B0, C1, A1, B1, C0, A1, B1, C1. Now we are going to represent these ones in the coordinate map of carry. We have represented this. And now we are going to write 4:1 multiplexer for this carry coordinate map. That is C. I0, we have taken N, that is 2 selectors. So we have S1 and S0. Now we are taking S1, S0 as S1 as A, S0 as B. And we have 4 outputs, I0, I1, I2 and I3. Now we are going to select one coordinate map, one selector line, that is 0 and 0. That is, we have taken A constant 0, that is this whole box will get, and B as 0 means B as 0 here and B as 0 here, means now we are going to select only these two. In these boxes we are having nothing to pair, so we'll keep the output as 0, that is I0 is 0. And now we are going to select another 2 select lines, that is 0 1. A as 0 means this total box we are going to take, and S0 as 1, that is B as 1. Where we are having B means here we are having B as 1, here we are having B as 1. And we need to take only these 2 boxes. Now we are going to pair these 2. We are having only one element in this, so we will get the answer for this as C. And we are going to select, therefore the output for I1 is C. And now we are going to select another 2 select lines, that is 1 0. We are keeping A constant 1, and we are going to have this total box and B of 0. See, where we are having B as 0, here we are having B as 0 and we are having B as 0. We are going to select these 2 boxes. Now we are going to pair these boxes. Here we are having only one element as 1. Therefore output for this is C. Therefore output of I2 is C. Now we are going to select another 2 select lines, that is 1 1. A as 1 means we are going to have this total box, and B as 1 means where we are having B as 1, here we are having B as 1, and here means we are going to select only these 2 boxes, and we are going to pair these 2, right? So here we have the elements are unchanged in these 2 pairs, so the output of this will be 1. Therefore output of the I3 is 1. Now we have drawn the coordinate map for the sum, and we have drawn the coordinate map for the carry. Therefore the full adder for this is, means 4:1 multiplexer of this full adder is this. C is for sum, we are going to get 4:1 multiplexer like this, and for carry we are going to get multiplexer like this. Thank you.